Release 2020B offers hundreds of new and updated features and functions, along with exciting new products. LiDAR Toolbox provides algorithms, functions, and apps for designing, analyzing, and testing LiDAR processing systems. UAV Toolbox provides tools and reference applications for designing, simulating, testing, and deploying unmanned aerial vehicle and drone applications. You can now prototype and implement deep learning networks on FPGAs and SoCs with Deep Learning HDL Toolbox. And the new Roadrunner family of products enables engineers to create 3D scenes and road networks for automated driving simulation. In 20B, working with graphics and apps in Matlab just got easier. You can now visualize data with new bubble and swarm charts, diff and merge app designer apps, and add custom figure icons and components to your Matlab apps. You'll find optimizing machine learning models easier as well. AutoML now selects the best performing model and optimizes its hyperparameters in one step. With Experiment Manager, you can now run multiple trials of an experiment in parallel. You can also use Bayesian optimization to determine the best combination of hyperparameters for an experiment. This is an example of training a semantic segmentation network using Deep Network Designer. You can design the network, visualize the dataset, and set options and train the network, all in one app. Features like Lime can help explain the reasons behind predictions made by the deep learning networks. Use GPU Coder to accelerate Simulink models, including deep learning networks and any pre- and post-processing. Then generate CUDA code to deploy to NVIDIA GPUs, such as the Jetson and Drive platforms. Release 2020B includes lots of new features in Simulink too. If you have Simulink, the following licenses will get you access to Simulink online. Just go to matlab.mathworks.com, sign into your Mathworks account, and open Simulink. These products are also supported. In Stateflow, gain an understanding of what states, transitions, and functions your system spends most of its time in during different scenarios using the Activity Profiler. Using System Composer, you can now create functional, logical, and physical models of your system. Allocate or map these functions to logical components. Then allocate the logical components to physical elements. With Simscape, the new Stiffness Analysis lets you identify components in your Simscape model that are numerically stiff. You can navigate directly to the block and investigate options to accelerate your simulation. With the new Model Testing Dashboard in Simulink Check, you can assess the quality and completeness of your requirements-based testing to comply with industry standards. Lastly, Simulink Realtime now has 64-bit POSIX-compliant RTOS designed to meet real-time application requirements on SpeedGoat target machines. There's plenty more in this latest release. To find out what else is new, go to mathworks.com and download 20B today.